New Orleans is known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and unique architecture. However, one of the biggest challenges homeowners face in the region is high humidity and excessive moisture. The humid climate can take a toll on homes, leading to warped doors, mold growth, and structural damage. Proper door installation is crucial in protecting your home from these issues. Here's how professional door installation in New Orleans helps homeowners combat humidity and moisture-related damage. Choosing moisture-resistant door material. In a humid climate like New Orleans, the choice of door material plays a significant role in preventing moisture damage. Certain materials are more resistant to humidity, ensuring longevity and durability. The best options include fiberglass doors. These doors are highly resistant to moisture, rot, and warping. They also provide excellent insulation and require minimal maintenance. Steel doors. While steel is durable and secure, it needs to be properly sealed and painted to prevent rusting in humid conditions. Composite doors. Made from a combination of materials, these doors are engineered to resist moisture infiltration while offering durability and energy efficiency. Treated solid wood doors. Though wood can be prone to swelling in humid conditions, professionally treated and sealed wood doors can withstand moisture exposure better than untreated wood. By selecting the right moisture-resistant materials, homeowners can avoid common issues such as warping, cracking, and mold buildup. Proper sealing and weather stripping. One of the most important steps in door installation is ensuring that all gaps and cracks around the door frame are properly sealed. Without adequate sealing, moisture and humid air can seep into your home, leading to mold growth and wood rot. Professional door installation includes high-quality weather stripping to prevent drafts and moisture infiltration. Caulking around the frame to create a tight seal against humidity. Threshold installation to reduce water intrusion from heavy rains. With proper sealing techniques, homeowners can maintain a dry and comfortable indoor environment, even during the most humid months in New Orleans. Preventing warping and swelling. Humidity can cause certain door materials, especially wood, to expand and contract, leading to sticking doors, misalignment, and structural damage. Professionally installed doors are designed to minimize these effects by using reinforced frames that provide extra support against warping, allowing proper spacing and installation adjustments to accommodate natural expansion, applying protective coatings to prevent moisture absorption. A well-installed door remains functional and durable, regardless of the seasonal humidity fluctuations in New Orleans. Reducing the risk of mold and mildew. Mold and mildew thrive in humid environments, and improperly installed doors can create the perfect breeding ground for these harmful fungi. Mold not only damages your home's structure but also poses serious health risks to you and your family. Professional door installation helps prevent mold growth by ensuring airtight seals that block excess moisture from entering your home. Using mold-resistant door materials that do not absorb moisture easily. Installing doors with proper ventilation to reduce condensation buildup. By taking these preventive measures, homeowners can avoid costly mold remediation and maintain a healthier living space. Enhancing energy efficiency and comfort. affect your doors, it can also impact your home's energy efficiency. When doors are improperly installed or have gaps, humid air can enter, making your air conditioning system work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This leads to higher energy bills and reduced indoor comfort. A properly installed, insulated door helps to keep cool air inside, reducing strain on the HVAC system. Block excess humidity, maintaining a consistent indoor climate. Lower energy costs, saving homeowners money in the long run. By choosing energy-efficient doors with proper insulation, homeowners can enjoy a cooler, more comfortable home while reducing utility expenses. Increasing home durability and value. Investing in professional door installation not only protects your home from humidity-related damage, but also enhances its value. A well-installed, moisture-resistant door extend the lifespan of your entryway and interiors. Improve curb appeal, making your home more attractive to potential buyers. Increase overall home security, providing added peace of mind. For homeowners looking to preserve their home's structural integrity and value, upgrading to professionally installed, humidity-resistant doors is a smart choice. Final thoughts. Protect your New Orleans home with professional door installation. In a city like New Orleans, where high humidity and moisture pose a constant challenge, ensuring that your doors are properly installed and well sealed is crucial to protecting your home. Investing in moisture-resistant materials, expert sealing techniques, and professional installation can help prevent warping, mold growth, and energy loss. If you're looking for a door installation specialist in New Orleans, choose trusted professionals who understand the local climate challenges and can provide high-quality, long-lasting solutions. A well-installed door will not only enhance your home's beauty and security, but also protect it from the long-term effects of humidity and moisture damage.